The first customer of the day. What's going on, bro?
How's it going, mate?
You seem to keep being here all the time.
I just love coming to see you, mate.
Stop it.
It's almost an hour's drive, but I just love coming over.
Stop it. Well, what are we doing today, mate?
PCV, mate. PCV valve. And just replacing that little part that the mechanic left off.
Yeah,
the other day. Yeah. Yep. The actual guys can't do, mate. You just do because you're...
Well, you're not meant to see the ground here, team. That's what he's referring
exactly
to.
Right. No. I mean, it's there for a reason.
So we'll put that on. Oosh, boys. All right, well, we've... she's a bit blurry, but we've done the PCV. So that's all on there. Get some crispy shots there. Very nice, very nice. It does have a bit of an oil leak in the switch as well, so we're going to try and do some investigating. I think you might find it might be just maybe a new sensor, hopefully. And then we're going to put this dirty tray on underneath the old undercarriage. And then we'll probably take this this off because it's missing a few clips here and there. But boys, you already know what time it is. Deer Day. Keeps the doctor away. Where's your one? Where's your one? Oh, you got her in the car.
Yeah, mate. I was going to crack the way home, but I can
Oh, you got to crack her open now because we're introing the vlog. Here's Brad. Crack her open.
Oh, good sound.
Well, it's vlog time.
Oh, great. That's like wheelie clean. Tastes like wheelie clean.
Let's get him.
Yo, for cardio, made the king of the beast look ridiculous. Beefing while know that you're beefing with us. The government say I'm way too free, too rebellious.
What are you here for, mate? Just a one service. Usual. Happy customer, boys. Old Brad's off. On his happy.
Old is the word too.
Yeah, well, we're going to look after our senior citizens.
Yeah, thank you.
That's all right, no worries.
Hey, look. Old and wise.
Old and wise, is that what it is?
Yep.
The more you know with Brad, eh?
Not young, dumb and full of.
Oh! Wow.
Like you, though, you're very mature for a young man.
Oh, thank you. Well, Brad's heading off, but looks like we've got the GR for the week. About time. I mean, I paid half of it. You'd think I'd get about half the time with it. Oh, here he is. Oh, maybe. What's cracking?
Not much.
Not much? What are you up to? What are you here for?
Oh, just a minor service.
Just a minor service?
Yeah, the usual.
Just the usual.
Yeah.
Nice.
Give us a crackle, G.
Oh, it's too cold. It's too cold. Oosh. Oh, he's on the 85, boys. Holy. Oh. What's this? Mav's doing more work.
Yeah.
Holy hecka.
2 minor services back to back.
Back to back. Did you get it driven to replenish your thirst levels?
No, I haven't been offered one yet.
Oh, haven't been?
Yeah,
well, they're
no.
complimentary, so they're in the fridge over there, mate. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right. Might come over all the time.
Oh, okay. All right, boys, well, we're new reformed spaces. Quite happy with the job we've done. Thanks, Brendan, at Brymed. I won't take all the credit. I tried, but I didn't want to ruin it. So
Yeah.
you know.
Got the professional.
Yeah, you got the professional to do it. So there you go, Mabs. 10 grand, thanks.
10?
Yeah.
Gee whiz.
Yeah,
That's rough.
that's how much we charge.
Jeez. Wouldn't want to know what a full gearbox would be then.
Hey, who's this guy?
Just coming around, mate. Just coming around.
Just what are you in for? A minor service?
Yeah, minor service.
Just a minor service, he says.
Yeah, just the usual.
Just the usual, eh? Hey, what's this thing? What are you up to, bro? Just here for a minor service?
You know,
Minor service, just the usual?
yeah.
Oosh. Oh, what's that in there? Is that likewise? Ooh. Oosh, boys. Well, step 2, I guess, of the shifter. The old one's off. There he is. Old Dylan didn't even come to me to get his shifters, he just brought them himself. Sad guy.
I'm an idiot. Where's the money?
So yeah, step 1, get the old shifter off. Step 2, put the adapter on. And step 3, put the new shifter on. Hey Mabs.
So not a minor service?
Nah, no minor service today, mate.
Yeah, rough.
Alright, well we're just gonna fill up the old coolant, boys. Alright, that should do it. Oosh! Well, the GR is coolant bled. Old Mabs is under there putting the tray back on. Breaking a sweat. Doing all the work apparently. But space is back on. So we'll have to see. I might borrow this for tonight. I'm off to the coast, so I might be able to test it for Mabs to see if they scrub. We'll see. But yeah, really weird bleeding procedure, other than Volkswagen obviously, but yeah, the grand scheme of things, it worked. We read the instruction manual before we did it. That way, we didn't blow anything up. So yeah, successful bleeding. Bit of hard work there, Mabs?
Yeah, just a bit.
Trying to get her in?
Yeah, just cross-thread and everything. You know,
Oh, bloody good.
just the usual.
The G-Wagon boys. Holy heck. 263. Gee. Oh, that's sick, boys. Holy heck. Jeez. Oh, I can see the turbos glowing red in the exhaust. Ah. Holy moly. Whoosh, Mabs. Got the old valet parking. Sheesh. Bloody good. Another G-Wagon, boys. Holy heck. Whoosh, boys, alright. We're in. The room's not even ready. That's alright, but apparently our trade show is this way. So hopefully we'll get a few clips. Whoosh, boys. Little name tag. Guess this is where we're having dinner, boys. Holy heck. That first one, boys. Oh, GCG.
And then where are you going?
PWR, boys. Turbos, boys. Boys, we've got a dump pipe. Sheesh. Put that on the rack. Well, this was our stand, boys. I don't know if you can see, but we're all packed up now. We're on the bearsies, safely of course.
Also, we've got a little bit of time left.
There, little diffy.
Over 20 minutes.
Here's old Scotty. Hey. Scotty too hotty. Hey. There's old Phil. Or young Phil. There's old Benny. You gotta go faster. And there's big man Brian. GLC AMG. Oh, boys, M2. Lovely, boys, lovely. Model Y, boys.
One job. We get that idea there.
Alrighty, boys. Bit of a tour. Let's have a look. Bathroom, shower. Not bad. Little coffee. Nothing in the mini fridge. God damn. Our bed, chargers. Pretty snazzy. Big TV. Woo-hoo. And the view. Oh, not bad. Beach is just over there too. Not bad at all. We roll into the casino, boys, or what? What do you reckon? Heaps of people, boys. Holy heck. Boys, we're in the casino. These boys. Not a bad view. Well, boys, that's going to end Saturday night, even though it's 1 AM. Had a couple of bevvies, not too bad. A couple of vodka Red Bulls. What else we have? A couple of beers here and there. I think you had about 8 or 9 drinks in total, so not too bad, not too bad. Oosh, boys. Oh, back to Brisbane we go. Sheesh. Oosh. There she is, Mabs. Safe and sound. Shoo. I was gonna get a little rev through the tunnel, boys, but she's still cold. No pop, boys. No pops. Damn. Alright boys, well, fairly fun day. We got the drone. Hopefully get some good aerial shots, we'll see. Old Mab's car's over there, bloody good. And this one's about to get drunk. And hopefully cook us dinner later. We'll see how that goes.
Mix the fuel with oxygen. 3, 2, 1.
Ho, 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 ho. That looks like something would smoke at home, boys.
Okay.
Evaporate so much inside.
Throw it.
Like that.
Throw it. Throw it. Okay, you get it there. Gonna pop. Gonna pop. Gonna pop.
Whoa.
Look at here, guys. And 3, 2, 1. Silence.
Whoa.
What?
Oh wow.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Oh, boys. Whose is this car? Oh, Chantel. Oh, got a haircut, Chantel.
Yeah, no, threw my beard out.
Good to be there. Old Jackson's sending us on a bloody mission. Should be toilets and lights. Oh, so it means actually physically down here. Oh. There's a green door.
This is creeping me out.
This is creeping me out. Oh, gee whiz. Alright boys, well after that bloody old triangle, circle, square, X, up, down, left, right, she's running.
How many horsepower has this got, Roy?
It's 380 kilowatt.
300 kilowatt.
Dropping straight out the coffin, locked in. Guess now you're all out of options. Watchmen, I'm a dark knight, no Gotham. Decimate your regiments and tear through your squadron. Rot and plead all your sins to bother, no caution. Drown out the screens with laughter, no conscience. Vow to go down like martyrs, and I'm burning all these Shermans like the Hindenburg disaster. Gun to your head, no there's no turning back. Dead or alive like a Schrodinger's cat.